Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hi, I'm Claudia. Thank you so much for opening this video today. Guess what? I have a business opportunity for you. Yes, those of you who have been wanting to get online, to get a call center set up for your company, this is for you. So you can be a small, medium, or large company that wants a call center space. Ladies and gentlemen, look in the description below. We have a capacity of 400 persons that can get into this space. Also, we have parking. We also have your internet. Everything is in one price. So your electricity, your water, your security, your internet, just about any expense that goes with running a call center is in this price that I'm going to tell you. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to look at this opportunity. So if you're a business owner, you want to look at this, go to the link below. We have the website. We have given you just about all the information that you need. And then guess what? You can click on the application form. Let us know how many seats that you would want. And you can come in and start running your business right away. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look inside.
So we have entered the lobby area. This area will, give access to the employees and to anybody else who needs to come. It's kind of a circulation area. So we also have employee lockers in this area. Ladies and gentlemen, remember you'll also have access to a conference room. Blue room have a seating capacity of about 80 persons, which means that a medium-sized company could take this one. You also have rooms on the right for your team leaders, your supervisors, or your managers. Spacious seating, comfortable. Ladies and gentlemen, all right, so let's have a look at the bathrooms. So down this corridor we have male and female bathroom. So we come to the female bathroom first. And to the end of the corridor we have the male bathroom. Now remember that your rent includes DIA fiber, also security, electricity and water, your building maintenance, and your cleaning services. With this setup, you know exactly how much you will pay monthly and you can budget. No surprises. You pay one fee monthly and it includes everything, just about everything you can think of to run your call center operation. Let's have a look at the other room. So we're just in the blue room. Let's look at the green room. So the green room also comes with offices separate, and this section can take about 200. Also comes fully air conditioned. As you can see, we have ceiling fans. So you have full power source and you also have standby generator. This room has been designated the training room. So if you will have staff members that you need to be trained before you can actually put them into the main operating areas, then this is where you can hold your one-on-one training with them. As you see, we're thought of just about everything that you will need to run your business right from this location. And guess what? We've also included a cafeteria. Yes. So you can get your breakfast, lunch, or dinner, depending on the shift that you're on. Everything will be in this cafeteria for your comfort. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Remember, we will have 400 spaces. We have employee lockers, kitchen and cafeteria, security, electricity and water. Building maintenance will be included.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your business opportunity. Whether you're a small, medium, or large company, this opportunity is here for you to run your own call center. So give me a call, 876-292-6776. Remember, you can go in the description below. The link is there for you to get all the information that you need. Also, remember to subscribe. Yes, hit the subscribe button. Also, share and like so that you will get this and other great opportunities in real estate. Ladies and gentlemen, have a beautiful, beautiful Jamaica day.